focus is on positioning one of the curves apex higher than the other that follows. So for example, by keeping the high points of the curve slightly offset, the eye is forced to move through them. This gives you the ability to have a great deal of control over where the viewer's eye goes and how quickly it goes. You can also show timing by repeating your lines. So if you think about repetition of lines, here we have those repetition of lines, and this not only individual lines goes to a certain direction, we begin to see line, and this is our eye moves. But if you were to compare the two, which one makes your eye move faster? The bottom one does, right? The top line, by repeating the curve, our eyes tends to slow down. So now I'm gonna mix the idea of repetition and asymmetric together, and here I have a line like this. It's like water, stream water flowing, and using asymmetrical curves in addition to repeating curves gives your gesture drawing a solid sense of composition, fluidity, and timing. So overall, our eyes moves with the flow lines, with the repeated lines. So definitely will develop the sense of speed, and your eyes probably move slow and it was fast, and then you slow again, and definitely slows down on like pond, and then you go fast again if there's only one line. Okay, first step, try to summarize entire pose with two curves. Basically, instead of line, let's call it curves. So then here I have probably this. So let's just do the leg, and if I have plus one one more curve, then I can probably try to summarize this arm as 1S curve. There we go. So I did complete getting the most important line for this pose. You don't want to throw in a bunch of lines to describe the pose. You want to limit your mark so that every single mark that you're putting has meaning to it. And now I am going to use the asymmetry lines to find each and every form. Means head, torso, pelvis, knee, and foot. So let's start from here. I'll go to the back of the head, then I'll jump to the back of torso, because this way I can create most S curve. And I'll jump to the hip. My eyes can flow with this. And then here goes the back leg, the calf, lower leg, and then go down to the ground. And then I have the standing leg. Make sure you check the balance. And then from here I have lower, and I put the curve slightly offset there. Okay. And I'll do the same thing for the arm too. I'm probably going to do this arm. Here I have arm, lower arm, and then I'll go process lines. But you don't want the figure look, it's going to be fall. You know, if you sometimes exaggerated this maybe too much, that this person is going to fall. You know what I mean? It's about to fall. To see the connection between head to the standing foot. Okay, so here I have the head, and I'm just gonna see if it's mine too. So it goes right in between the 2 foot, but closer to the standing leg. So here I have the heel. So now I see that this person is not going to fall because this is center of the balance, right? Okay. Axis line is angle sighting between 2 common points. So shoulder to shoulder, that's 1. And I usually put pipes because it really shows form connection. So here I have a pipe for shoulder. Basically circle for the joint, but now you see me drawing half circle. Oh my gosh, half circles only, please. Because I don't want to keep on erasing things. You know, if you don't need to draw a circle for anything. Light comes from above. For 2, half circle, half circle. The skull is same thing too. I'll just darken the bottom of the circle. It will definitely look more realistic, right? Isn't this look so real? Sphere. And there's like the shadow. Curves. There you go. And then I'll get this front face, back of her neck, torso to her pelvis. It's all going with the flow, isn't it? And her standing leg. Alright, and let's go process line, which is plumb line. Right below her chin, there's the heel of the foot. So this is really crazy pose, right? It's like behind. And then I'll go to the angle sighting. And I'll go shape. So half circle for the skull, shoulder, just one side because we don't see the other side. And then egg, torso, pelvis, shape, knee, knee. It's all half circles. Foot, foot is triangle. This is square. Okay, that's it. That is it. Okay. Try one more here. One, two, three. That's it. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Here, when you draw a leg, don't make these two go into a dot. So one, I guess, really easy mistake that we sometimes make is that we think the leg will go into a same dot. But what it is it's on each edge. Okay, so that will be a better way to draw it, and it will keep the drawing more flowy. See? So that is better. Okay, so let's keep that, not that. Okay, neck and the back of torso, front of the pelvis. Okay, and upper leg to calf muscle. Upper leg to a calf muscle. There we go. All right, on the ground. Imagine putting skating board or yoga mat to really show it is a flat surface. Okay. And then I'll go shaping the form.